now I think I would really like to understand very pinpointed solutions, strategies, or methodologies that the companies like L&T, Qualcomm, Spicaworks have actually adapted, to train and upskill their engineers. Like, what are we doing individually at the organization level? And also, love to know the roles of organizations like Maven Silicon, wherein we collaborate and train and upskill our engineers.
Though there have been a lot of demands, and I was just I'll come back to this DV space because that's where I was facing challenge. uh, any other course, you take up any programming languages, any other course we can manage within 2 to 3 days, whereas especially this DV, you need some instructor who can guide you, on the execution, right? There we people face a lot of problem, and also they need a lot of support. And I was just searching for one kind of support like this, then Maven came into picture, and they were also surprised that I am looking for such solution, because usually we engage with Maven for instructor-led training in the physical space, whereas this was like out of the scope. I was just looking for online solution because that was the need at that point of time, and people were also doubting whether this will work or not. I was very sure that when people can learn AI and machine learning, why not DV? Anybody can learn, right? People are doing masters sitting at home, right? Stanford is offering some online course, some other university is offering from abroad. You're sitting here and getting the degree. Why not this course? But a lot of support is required because these engineers are just out of college and they expect the similar kind of support, right? So Maven came into picture and we had a lot of discussions about it, and it is very much necessary that the wavelength should match. So Siva was also happy. I was also happy that we could come out with this solution, and uh, the rest is the story. We got in and we did a good collaboration on that. People have, they're all very happy. They have come out with the projects. They have come out with these solutions, and even the experienced engineers took this, and they were also very happy. And in fact, previous batch they started demanding, why didn't you offer this one for us? So that's the complaint that's coming up. But yeah, overall it was a really a good experiment that resulted in good solution, and we are happy and continuing this.